Grand awakening Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebooks, the music. Great products are over there. Your word of the day is unconditional love. You are in your most powerful frequency right now, Pisces. Let no one have any control over your emotions. Let no one take you out of your highest self, because you are in teacher mode. You're in your highest mode. You're in Kundalini awakening mode. You're in your highest self. You can only help or seriously hurt someone. Most people are in a position where they only can hurt someone. But you're in a position where you really can help and transform lives. Therefore, take it personal. Make sure that you do not waste any time or any human interaction, no matter how they treat you, where they can turn you into a negative, forceful tsunami that can drown the whole entire world. Right now, you're in purpose. You're not just living your life. Right now, you're in purpose. So make sure you're in alignment to stay positive at all times, no matter the interaction that you have with others. My heart is free from resentment towards others. I open the eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being. I'm aware the suffering causes stress and hurt people. But healing people heal people, and we're healers, Pisces. I see the pure child in everyone. I practice forgiveness, because when you can see the child in everyone, you can see how everyone needs help and they need grace. And there also, you give them a little bit of leeway when someone is not being their highest and best self. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.